Yo, excuse me.
What's going on, bro? How can I help?
Yeah, man, I'm looking to get into a new car today, bro.
You want a new car? What's your credit score?
420.
I didn't ask you what you wanted to do today. I said, what's your credit score?
Man, I know. I said 420, man.
Why you came here for real, bro?
Man, I came here to get into a car, bro.
You can't get in the shit around here, bro.
Bro, what you mean, bro?
What do you mean? What do I mean? You got a 420.
Bro, I know it's iffy, but we can work
That's a little
something.
bit more than iffy, boy. You jiffy. I can't do shit with you.
Man, work something out with me, bro.
I
Please.
can't listen. Let me talk to you. I don't want to be too loud. I can't do nothing with you.
Bro.
Why you don't pay your bills?
I do, man.
No, you don't. You got a 420. You don't pay a goddamn thing, bro. What car you got now? You got a car right now, don't you?
Yeah, I pulled up in my right over there, man.
Right over there. You need to get back right over there, man, and leave, because I can't do nothing today. There's a dealership down the street. They got a gravel lot. Buy here, pay here, okay? That's all you got in your future. That's it.
Damn, that's crazy.
You crazy.
He said, you don't pay nothing.
He said, why don't you pay your bills, bro?
Hey, some people don't like paying bills. Like, I've met a couple people, like, even in my own family, like, they don't like paying bills. Like, you spent the money, like, you got the shoes, you went shopping, but you don't want to pay for
That's
it.
this whole generation. People are like, charge it.
Charge it to...
Future me will deal with that.
Like,